Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. We're back with another exciting video. This one's a purple wing liner inspired by one of my favorite beauty YouTubers, Himdash. Since today we're focusing on an eye look, I've already done my base so we can get started. Eyebrows can make or break an eye look, so I'm using the Benefit My Precisely eyebrow pencil to shape and groom my brows. You can either make well sculpted brows or fill them in casually, whatever you like. For a detailed tutorial, check out our eyebrow tutorial after watching this video. Right now, I'm simply using the pencil to make an outline and then filling in with the gaps. Next up is cleaning the excess product and giving my brows a better shape. After that, I'm applying some concealer on my eyelids to set the base for my eyeshadow. I'm using Elegold concealer in pure beige. After blending it, I'll set it with some loose powder and we'll begin with our eye look. This is the look created by Himdash, which is our inspiration. You can check out the link in the description box below. First up, I'm taking the Elegold purple gel eyeliner and depositing the product on the outer corner of my lash line, gradually making a wing out of it. I'll keep working at it till I get the wing shape that I want. To clean up the mess, I'm using a concealer on a flat brush to make the edge more sharp. You can also change the angle of the wing at this step if you're not happy with it. Taking a light warm brown shade from my Tan Beauty palette, I'm using a flat blending brush to blend it on my crease line. Now taking a denser blending brush with a deeper shade of brown, I'm intensifying the crease line further. Now I'm applying the shadow in such a way so that the ends of both the eyeshadow and the wing liner are meeting together and blending. Taking a fluffier blending brush with no eyeshadow whatsoever, I'm diffusing both the shades together. Now Himdash used a bright eyeshadow base, so for the same effect, I'm using a light matte shade on the lower part of my lid, and now using a blending brush to diffuse both the light and dark shades together. Now I'm using a smudge brush with some purple eyeshadow and I'm simply going over the wing to set it. If you feel like your wing has lost its shape, then go ahead with the liner again to refine the shape. Now, like Himdash, I'm taking a light shimmer shade from the same color family and placing it in the inner portion of the liner. Apply some liner and some blush and we're on to the final stages of this look. Now I'm applying a pink muted shade by Sugar, shade name in the description box below, and topping it with some lip gloss by Nykaa. What I love about this shade is that it gives a very healthy glow to the face without dominating the entire look. On to the last step, applying some muted pink eyeshadow to my lower lash line to match with my lipstick. You want to keep this subtle so that the showstopper is the purple wing liner. Once we're done with this, we'll be ready. If you did like this video, which I hope you did, then do hit the like and subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, there's the username, and we'll keep coming back with more videos. Till then, bye and take care.